Okay. Hello. What's up, guys? So, welcome back to the stream. First of all, as always, today no drink. I only have water, which is also nice for just today. Why is my camera so crooked? All right. So, cheers. So first of all, I will post my link to my Discord here in the chat. So if you want to follow this, you will get like notification when I go online and stuff. Also other Shopify related stuff. And then, this is my studio. So let me go in here, my channel, and let's post this now in my Discord. All right, so also this is my last stream before the end of the year. And yeah, today just like basic stuff as always, nothing special. Next year I want to like ramp up my content creation stuff. So yes, that's it. Yeah, so we see us next year again, beginning of next year. And today we're gonna work more on our section that we created yesterday. So yeah, that's basically the thing for today. I want to create some more blocks to use, because what we did is we created a kind of pixel, like a section that we can rebuild and reuse, because we have a section that uses the flex section style thingies and also theme blocks, which we can like reuse in here. So I want to create like a section where we can create multiple sections with. So first of all, let's redo this 40%. So this is gap, let's say none, width is auto, container width is fill. Nice. So we have this text, sure, and we have the button, which is 200 pixels, shop now, etc. So what we can do now is go ahead and work more on this. So the first thing I'm going to see is, and of course there would be like better options for a mobile settings, but yeah, let's first work on the desktop version. So first of all, what is here, we have to button, primary button, also button text align is center. Okay, so let's also do this. Okay, awesome. So what else we can do with this is go ahead, and what we also can do is just align this like this, or and yeah, it's pretty crazy. So we can do all of this. What we also can do is just change the position of the stuff, which is like really nice. And we can also do multiple of these. We could do. So could we do this? So wait, first of all, I want to go ahead and say we have like for every block I want to have like the same settings, right? So we go into the button, we have let's say header content, and then we have the header layout. So first of all, the size. So let's go to the button. So we have size. Wait, we don't even need this, right? Because it does an own thing itself. Size, perfect. So we have size, and then we have layout and spacing. So size, spacing, and layout. So for every block we have button box, button block, button color. Yes, you wanted the color, block settings, size, and block settings, spacing. Does it make sense? Always misclicking, god damn it. Oh, this is like this now, why? Do we even want this? Ah, wait a second. Can we not just create a like a wrapper thingy? Why is it like this now? Ah, wait a second, no. Okay, so this is like not the general thing we want to approach, so we still need to do this href class thing. Where do I have the stuff now? So this is spacing, yeah, spacing, size. Where's this height coming from? Height auto. Okay, display flex is working. Interesting. So what if we want to have some, so let's say block wrapper. Do we already have this? Let's try this out and we'll see what it does. Because like what if I want, so if the button, what if I want some more padding on this, you know? Which actually makes no sense. No, let's leave it like this. We have the spacing. Spacing, yes, and block. What was it again? The block attributes, block Shopify attributes, yes. So here instead of 20 pixels, 20, wait. So what I want to do is we have the button text, button URL, button color, but let's not do this. I mean, for this theme, this works as I want to have it, but what if I want to be like completely, it's like, what if I want to build like a landing page with it? I don't want to have like, want to have this button. So what we can do is put not a select, but rather a type text button classes. And then don't put options in here, but rather we can use these button classes to go in here and say we have the block settings button classes, and also we can do this so let's go to the button again, and then we have button classes. We can say button primary. Yes, and this should like do this. So we can do this, and what you also can do is just like give this a colors heading. So we can define like own colors basically. Let's go in here and say colors. And then we have type color ID. ID is background color. Label backgrounds color. And we can copy this and say we have text color. And maybe go ahead and say we have a Java backgrounds color. We have a text color. So let's see. Okay, and then go ahead and say, so what is the actual thing of the block? So it's button block. What is the block ID? Maybe we put then, I think we need to do this an ID. ID is block ID. And we can just like do this and say style. Not console log, it's hashtag block ID. So now we can go ahead and say if block settings background color is not RGBA 0, and if, so we do this 4 times because we force 4 thingies. We have text, then hover background and hover text color. Say background color is RGB red, green and blue. RGB. Okay, so then we can copy this and say text color and we do the same for hover. I'll take this. And this is the hover background color. This is our text. Color. And this is the other text color. Okay, let's see if this works. Not working. Let's see. Ooh, okay, perfect. So we can change the color now. Text color we can also change. Hover we can also do like this. Let's see if this works. Yes. Maybe we also give the button a like transition. Okay, and if we remove these, then it should revert back to normal. Okay. So we have this for the button, which is nice. So we can do all of this stuff. Do we need the layout? Do we really need the layout? Wait a minute. We don't even need the layout. So we can remove this. Oh. Okay, cool. So we have the button ready. So let's first of all, let's just like say, oh, add button block. So we can close this up, but where's the error? Why is there an error? Or can we do it like this maybe? Oh, okay, wait. So then we change something up and say sign HTML button tag is we can go like this and say capture button tag oh wait a second, it's lame. Say assign, god damn it, let's go back. Remove this again, because now we can say if button block settings button URL is blank, then we assign button tag is A, else it's button. And now here we can go ahead and say this does look much better. So we don't have an error anymore, but we still have to do href let's see if it still works. Yes, perfect. Okay, so let's go ahead and button fix button tag assignments. The last commit. What if we put style and style? Okay. Okay, looks good. So we have this. Then let's go ahead and go into the text one, because this should be like pretty easy with the style size panel. But I also want to have style size and style spacing. So let's add spacing to here. Oh, we can also do it like this. God damn it. So we don't need this stuff. We can just assign everything to here. Now we should have it block settings class list. So the style size. And then we want to have the style spacing. Let's see if we can change the padding and the spacing. Okay, seems nice. What is happening here? Okay, we have to check that. What is happening here? Wait a second. Maybe is it because of this? Maybe do we have to put... I have the feeling that this is working better, is it? Oh, true. Interesting. If you reference color settings inside style text, then the associated CSS rules will update as the settings is changed in the theme editor without a page refresh. But it's a little bit buggy. Yeah, so I would not use style settings like this. So I would use it like this, so it's not buggy. Ah, that's the problem also I had yesterday. Interesting. Okay. So let's go ahead and here the layout. We can do this. We can do this. We can do this. Sure. We can do this. Awesome. Okay. So we can do settings, and here I think what also would be interesting for text text sections is, oh wait, can we do it here, like bullet list? Now let's go ahead and say we have select, and the ID is text alignment. So we go ahead and say options is type, oh no, it's value. Of course, right. Label right, and we do this 2 more times. center, center, left and left. So we can use this for maybe text block. Let's say ID is block ID, and then we go ahead and oh wait, and also here we can do a default is right, no, left. The left goes first, of course. Here we go ahead and say style block ID. Text align is block settings, text alignment. All right, let's see. Also this bold stuff, bruh, like it doesn't even do anything. We have to check that. Let's go ahead and let's say font weight bold. Bruh. There's not even a okay, this is a thing I have to fix for sure. Let's go ahead and say to do make strong more outstanding. Okay, this is for later though. Let's go back into the text align. We try to do a text align setting for the text, so we'll see if this works. Center, yes, and right. Awesome. Perfect. So let's get rid of this. And then this should be, this should be all right. Yes, for now. Here. Create text block, sure. Then also update live settings to get rid of this. Where's this? Oh, add page width variable. Okay, let's go to the image. So we have some stuff in here. I'm not quite sure if this is even working out, but I guess. So we have style, and then we also want to have header content. Here is settings, lazy loading, size panel, and here is spacing, spacing, and spacing. Perfect. This also works. Lazy loading and not. Now let's get rid of this. Okay. Yeah. So this is like not quite sure if we can work with this, but it has to be like this, unfortunately. And yeah. Create image block. Then we have the container, which is also really interesting spacing. So we can also just call this layout. All right, this makes sense. Color, background color. All right, so if you want to have a background color, let's go ahead and say this. What you also could do is put like position values in it, but let's leave it like this for now. So it's the ID of block ID. Okay, with block ID, if in background color. Let's see if this works. Works. Layout, but we need the spacing size. Oh wait, we have the spacing. Ah, here. Maybe we also need a color thing for the text then. Text color, text color. If block settings, text color. Color is text color. Let's reload here and check what this did. Not working. Now it should work. Yes, perfect. All right. So we have this. And we also have container, but where's the colors is here? Yes, okay. So we can go ahead into the container and I think leave it like this. I guess. Create container block. Add text color to text block. Minus CSS changes. Okay, now we have the custom liquid. It's like the whole section. Can we also improve something there? Background color. Style wrapper. Section settings, spacing. Layout size, blah, 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 blah. Do you need the block wrapper? Nope. Okay. Create custom section. Easy. The only thing I want to do here is also placeholder SVGs for the placeholder. Here, place if there's like no image selected. So let's go back to the image. If and then else we do this. And now I will remove this. Perfect. What else? Wait a second. So I want to have Color illustrations. Outline illustrations. Let's just use, I guess, lifestyle 1. Hearts, hearts, hearts. I need more hearts. Yes. Nice. Thanks for the hearts. Ooh, okay, lifestyle. Let's say per 6. Yes. Hearts are nice. Ooh. Now let's go collection 1. I think that was fine. Yes. Okay. Sure. So we have a image with text. No, wait. There's still something missing. So add placeholder SVG for image block. The last thing I want to add is a heading block, so we can work with headings, heading liquid. So I think we can just like copy this from the text one and call this heading heading. So what I want to do here is header content. So I think here is just like a text is fine. Header settings, and here's like not a text alignment. Rather, I want to do a head type. So a heading type, and the options are H1, and we copy this, I think 6 times. So we have H2, H3, H4, H5, and H6. And default is, let's say, H2. Header colors, heading color, blah 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 blah. Block ID, text align. We don't need this anymore. And here we have the heading color instead of the text color. Class. So this is a heading block. Block settings. Yes. ID. Block settings. Content. But maybe we wanna, let's see. So let's do this. Here we go ahead and say block settings heading type. So whatever heading type we have, close this. Then we wrap this inside of it. So we have a H1, it's an H1. If we have a H2, it's H2. And also what I want to do is add the class the same thing, because maybe sometimes themes have the heading type as a class also. So let's go ahead and add our heading. If it works, nice, we have the heading here. Let's push it in here and say, ooh, nice. So as you can see, like that was a heading type 2. We can put it a heading H1, H2, H3, and so on. Let's put it in an H2. We can also change the color. Nice. And we can do more stuff by like putting a bottom margin of 10 pixels, or let's say 20 pixels. And I think the text I also want to add 20 pixels to the bottom. Let's do this. Nice. Awesome. Perfect. Okay. So this is a fully functional image with text section, and also we can change the layout by doing this, which is really nice. Maybe we can like put a better text in here. We can say this is a can put a nice text in here to describe your brand story, a product or a collection, etc. Can put a lot of information here and combine it with a image on the right to complete this look. I want to check if, oh yeah, we have padding. Let's say 100 pixels here. No, wait. Left and right. Ooh, okay. This also looks nice. Nice. Okay, cool. So yeah, crazy thing. I just I put a section with random blocks and created an image with text section. So what I want to do is maybe first of all, let's get the settings I saved here. So we have the settings here. Wait a second. Let's see. Index, custom. So we have these thingies, and what I want to do is go ahead and save this as a preset inside of this section. So let's see if we can do that. Let's go to the custom liquid and say we have presets. Okay, this is custom. So this custom is just basically everything defaulted. Let's go in here and say image with text settings. So what settings do we have in here? Dev. So if you go in here, type blocks. Okay, blocks is a lot. Block order settings. Can we just use this? Sure, must be an object, yes. Oh no. Wait, do we have to do it like this maybe? No. Spacing. I have to figure out how we can do this. Give me 1 second. So we have size. And the last thing is background color. No, not working. Maybe I did also something wrong. Okay. Where do we have the presets name sections flex settings? Oh, maybe like this. Oops. Like this? I'm confused. Name settings. Oh, wait. Ooh, okay, settings. Sure, sure. Okay, we have the settings now. Then, of course, we need to have the blocks. Now it gets interesting. Let's see if we can figure this out. Blocks. I think then we have to go back to the blocks and check here. Block schema, maybe. Presets blocks. Okay. What do we have? We have blocks type image. You just have to look in here a little bit. Blocks type text, container, image, type image, settings. Can I just do it like this? Ah, wait. Can we just go in here and just copy the settings? This would be cool. Settings? Ooh. Ooh. Wait, then I can just like... Oh no. No, I can do this. Type heading. Okay. Yeah, type container. Okay, we have type image. Boof. Type container blocks. Type heading. Looks a little bit messy right now, I'm sorry, but we can figure this out. Settings, yes. Not working? Okay, wait, get me back to... Oh wait, no, we can do this. Just have to close it up here, container. This looks good. Okay, type. So the container has blocks, type heading, sure. Let's do this. Right, now we can go ahead, type heading, then we have type text. Sure. And then we have type button, this. Okay, let's see if this worked. Reload it. So we can add a section. Oh, we can image with text now. We have this. Nice, we have an image with text section now, like a preset, which is called custom. Cool. That's awesome. No preview available, sure. Nice. Maybe we remove this. Like the so we've okay, image, yes, container, yes. Then heading. Let's put heading left, blah 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 blah. Type button text. Product URL is nothing. Button classes is nothing. Then we go ahead and give this background color of maybe just like a orange, like a nice orange. This. This looks like S, to be honest. Let's say wine red hex code. A nice wine red. So what is the wine red though? Like this. Let's try it out. So let's add an image with text. Nice. Cool. What else could we do with these thingies? What else could we do with these thingies? With like a heading, a text, a button, and a image. Or we could also put a logo list, right? Let's try to build a logo list. So we first have no, wait. we have 4 containers, and in these containers we have an image. Then we have a heading. Okay, but the image is pretty small, so we have container, container, container. Let's say background color is this. Align items center. Space between, yes. The gap is 20 pixels. 0. Then a container. Yeah. Image is custom 50 pixel. What if we put a what if we put something in here? Nice, okay. Let's remove this again. So we have 50 pixels. Then let's go back and say we have around. Also what we want to add is a heading to the top. Ah, wait. Okay, we have to... How can we do this? Ah, yeah, wait. So we have to put a container and put a container, and in here we put the heading, and in this container we put another 4 containers. With the heading, logo list. Then we go here and do this. Let's say gap is 20 pixels, so we don't need this. Let's save this. Then we can go in here and add an image. And this image is 50 pixels and 50 pixels. So now we go justify around, and here the gap is 20 pixels. Okay, image, and then we go ahead and say logo 1, like this. Oh no, let's not take an image, let's take a heading. Let's say logo 1. This is an H4. Nice, okay. Then we do here image. 50%, no, not 50%, it's 50 pixels. Enough, okay, sure. Heading, logo 2, H4. Perfect. And then, oh, maybe we can even go a little bit higher than this. Let's do it like 50, 57, 75 pixels. And do the same thing again. Let's go ahead with 75 pixels. Logo 3, put an H4. And the last time. And here we go, logo 4. H4. Cool. So let's save this. Also, let's go in here and say, so we just like do some tweaking now. Text content. We do a default of heading, so we should at least have something in there. Default to heading settings. Okay, implement image with text custom preset for custom section. Yeah, we only want this, push. And now what we can do is again pull. And let's pull the development settings. Because now we have the logo list in here when everything ran smoothly. I think so. So it's images text, and let's say logo list. And then let's go ahead and do this kind of stuff. Where's the settings? Yes. And the blocks, of course, container. The container has these settings. Oh, wait a sec. Now this gets a little bit more. Oh, wait a second. Now custom container. Oh yeah, we have it here. Here's the big one. Oh my god. this will be a hassle. Let me try to do this by copying this. Maybe we can do it easy going. No, that's not working, unfortunately, I think. Or is it? Let's try. So blocks. Yeah, we can do it like this. Easy peasy. Bam. Okay, looks really complicated, but I think this should work. So let's see. Okay, let's get rid of this and add a section. Logo list. Poof. Poof, 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 poof. Awesome. Really nice. So we have completed, or we created 2 sections with only 5 blocks, like without coding anything more. We coded it once and now we can create stuff, which is crazy. What else could we do? I mean, there's like endless possibilities right now, I think. Maybe what I also want to do is custom. I want to add some to-dos in here. To-do is, wait a second. To-do is add animation to container to do add slider block. This is like stuff I definitely want to do. Oh, each line must be prefixed by this. Perfect. But yeah, I guess, like, what else can you do with this kind of stuff? It's like an image gallery. An image gallery? Let's try it out. So let's also hide this again. And then let's create a image gallery, I guess. But how? I guess I know how. So we have 2 containers in here. Bam, bam. And here it's just like, I don't know, 2 images. Here also 2 images. And I mean, this container is doing like this. Yeah, this container is doing this. This container is doing this. Then we have this container is with fill. This container is with fill. Perfect. Then this whole thing is only the height of 500 pixels. Does this make sense? 500 pixels? Not quite, right? Height fit. Not really, right? Maybe we have to change something about the image block, but let's first, oh yeah, image block. So wait a second, this is like not quite working out. So if this is 500, yes, the container. What is the container doing? Container height is, let's put this also 100% just for good measure. But still there's something wrong. Not so easy then. Block container wrapper. Maybe I have to put some more of this stuff in here, to be honest. Moinsen. How are you? How is the Christmas business running? Image block container with height, yes. So with the container, with you I can always learn so many new things. Look, you can learn a lot of new stuff with me. I'm really happy that you can learn stuff. That's nice. How is your day, Mrs. Sozy? Good. I got a random big lead yesterday, totally unexpected. And for you? Nice. What does big lead mean? Really good. For me, pretty chill. I'm happy if I don't have a lot of work before Christmas and stuff, so all good, just like casual month, all good. So let's see. Okay, now this makes a little bit more sense. So this image is then fit. Oh, fill. We come a little bit closer now. We go in here and say height is custom. No, wait. This is fit. And this height is custom 20%. Fill, but do I have to fit fill and also make this, and also make this. Let's see. Okay, now it makes sense. Maybe put a little bit more, like 30 and 30%. I'm so pissed off that Shopify forces to use Node for building apps to publish on their app store. Wait a second. So you have an app, and what do you mean by you're pissed that you have to use Node? Like, what else would you use for building apps? Do you want to use something else, or what's the deal with that? So we have this, which is nice. Oh, but now let's say okay, we have to. I mean, it's not as easy as I thought it would be. So we have container, and then we have in here we have to. Oh my god! So let's remove these again, and then we go into custom. Do this. I used another tech stack for clients to build a private app because of the requirements. But yeah, I would like to build a sections app without the need of Node. I don't really like JS in the backends. So what's the alternative then? So use, okay, private app. Yeah, makes sense. So yeah, so what's the alternative to JavaScript and Node? But sections app sounds nice. A lot of people are doing this currently also. Okay, again, so we have image, maybe also let's say, let's just use 3 images for good measure. Or 3 and 2. Yes, we are crazy. Now let's do it like this, 3 and 2. All right, so 3 and 2, then these containers we go column, and here we go column. Then fit fill I guess. Image is Right. Yeah, it's like not as easy as thought. No, it's 50%, 50%, and 50%. Not as easy. All right. Well, according to Shopify, there's no alternative because they force you in their ecosystem. Yes, but like, what's the alternative for you? How did you build the private app? I mean, you had an alternative apparently. So what was like the alternative that you used? You know? Maybe I can help you with it because I know something. So let's align items like this, yeah, and call this heading a image gallery. Save, but still not working. But why? Okay, we have this, yes. Block container wrapper. Width and height. Why is this? Oh wait, this auto. Block container wrapper, come on. So this with this 1%. Okay, so fill, yes, I did this. But not working. Maybe just get rid of the container stuff. Okay, now this works. Okay, we have 50-50. Then we have 35. Not working as expected. Not good. Flex grow 1. Why is this not? Okay. I guess, but wait, so let me quickly do this. So I guess we have an image gallery. Okay, what I wanted to do, just like show that we can create another section from just like this section, which is like really fun. So we created, oh wait, here the heading, what's wrong here? Oh yeah. So let's go in here and say, oh wait, also container. So the custom margin 20 pixels. 20 pixels. Oh no. This. So yeah, okay, awesome. So we have created 3 sections just by using one section with theme blocks, which is really crazy and really nice. I mean, just like to end this as I worked with it, it's like really crazy what you can do. I mean, the next thing I also wanted to add is like a product card, collection cards, so you can implement product and collection cards in here, which would be like a nice thing. So you can even build more stuff. But as you can see, just using the flex sections and theme blocks, what you can like achieve with just like basic blocks. How many blocks do I have now? I have a button, a container, a heading, image, and a text. And with these 5 blocks and a section where you can put in these blocks, you can build like a lot of custom sections, which is really nice. I don't know if it's like a use case for real like themes, because sections will still be a thing where you can like just take the design choices of the customer and just like put custom sections in there. But for landing pages, this is like a nice idea to just give the merchant an option to have a custom section or a custom layout where you can put like all the stuff in it, which is like really nice. So yeah, but that's basically it for today. We worked a lot with this now, and we come back to this at another point, but at least the shop doesn't look so boring anymore now, which is like really cool. I will completely first of all pull all the settings. So I have this ready for the next time. Yes, awesome. Okay, add Primus. Yeah, so like I said, if there's like alternatives to it, maybe you can work with it. I don't know. But I guess this sucks for you if you want to work with something else. I'm really comfortable with the Node and NPM, etc. stuff. So yeah, it's. I think that this has to be like a choice from them to do whatever. But I hope you can still write your app, or just like write it in another framework and then let ChatGPT translate it or something like that. Could also be a solution. But yeah, this was the last stream before the end of the year, like I said. As always, let me quickly copy the link of my Discord in here. So if you want to join that, of course, I cannot copy this. So Discord GG. Why can I not copy paste it? Don't ask me. So yeah, you can join the Discord, so you can always see when I go live and other stuff. And then we see each other next year again. Fresh new year. I wish you all a happy Christmas and a happy new year. And then yes, we see each other next year. Have a good one.